YouTube, and welcome to another YouTube video. Well, obviously you know. And this is how to do the KSS glitch. The KSS glitch is a glitch like you have the infinity, the infinity will go a lot quicker. So you need this gun, an evil smasher, any evil smasher. You get it off a quest. Get this gun off a quest, or what Marcus gives you, the chosen one. And so you empty the clip on it, on the evil smasher. Then you just keep pressing Y, but not so quick. It's like, do it every 2-3 seconds, and then explosion should appear right in your face. And just keep doing that for a while. I don't know why they won't appear again. And you just do it. You can see explosions now. So if you reload it, wow, still got 12. That sucks. Well, it is a glitch. It should work. That's odd. Not working. I swear, this is seriously annoying. I just keep getting 12. See if I travel to Sanctuary, see if that works. I don't know why the hell it won't work. Well, it does work. I've done it before, today, obviously. There we go! As you can see, I've got 54. There we go, it works now. Kind of glitchy. Then you carry on the process. The more laggier it is, the higher your capacity goes. Right. Now I've got 91. Sometimes it does go down, so that's kind of a gay thing. Open that chest for no reason. Hey, got the railer! Whoops. I don't really want that crappy gun. So we carry on the process. That time I got 108. As you can see, if you keep doing it, your ammo goes up. And then the higher your ammo is, the powerfuler it is. Oh, and the fire rate increases as well. As you can see, I'm moving while I'm doing the process, so you can move as well while doing the process. 54. It's not really going up high. Let's reload it. There we go. 179. Now pretty much when you're out there, you're kind of invincible, pretty much. As you can see, I'll go to 1,000 cuts and I'll kill Termorphous and show you how quick it is to kill him. So if we go down here, as you can see, it's still the same. So pretty much, well, your shield isn't invincible. Your shield doesn't go up either. It's just that your gun goes a lot powerfuler. As you can see the capacity on that. So if you keep swapping it, it'll go down. So I wouldn't want to keep swapping all the time, like swapping, because that means there'll be a waste. That means all your capacity will go down to 1 again on your Infinity Pistol. Also, I'm going to show you how to get the Infinity Pistol. Oh God, stop shooting me. As you can see, it's gone high and like whatever. Oh, and it works for any gun in your inventory. As you can see, I'll do that. As you can see. Yeah, but your capacity will go down, so that's kind of a bad idea just doing that. So, let me just put the code back and carry on the process. You could get it up to 1 million, but that'll take a while. That'll probably take a few weeks, but so you'll have to keep your Xbox on. I can see 143. That's alright. So go to Termorphous Peak. You jump down that hole and then you. I would stay in the. I'm going to stay out in the open, so it isn't really full of the grenade. So what the hell? Where's the grenade going? Go on that one. So I'll stay out in the open. I'll throw my toys out when it comes in. So he gets slagged and then it's easier to kill him. I just go, just kiss for aiming pretty much, that's all I do. So you go down here. Your confidence call will be so powerful, like we killed 10 morphers anyways. Right, so as you can see, I'll put it offline. Right, now it's offline, as you can see. So I'll summon Termorphous, I'll hide behind that rock. Then when he comes up, I'll throw my turrets out. Actually, I'll hide behind them rocks. In fact. So all I'll do is just, right, he's here. So, I'm here. I'll throw my turrets out now. Run out into the open. As you can see, it's doing a lot of damage onto him. Now he's coming closer, which I don't give a crap, because he's dead. There we go. So you pretty much can kill any boss in the game. So, that's pretty cool. Necromancer, so Termorphous. Good. I've got one there. That's crapper. Never mind. So pretty much this is actually all I have for now. Subscribe and also I'll put my Gamertag in the description if you would like to add me, and duplicate the gun with you, the evil smasher. So, but if you've already done the chosen one and you don't have the evil smasher, then I'll add you, and then just send me a friend request and I'll do it with you. And I think that's all for now. Let's do. Oh, and add me if you want me to duplicate the Infinity with you some guns, whatever, and then good idea. So in the Fable Tortoise I'll show you that. Kind of mixture as well. So pretty much the Invincible. You're a bit like Metamorphosis Invincible. Insane. But pretty much like Hypers. And Master G, and he's like deadly. You know what I mean, deadly. In YouTube, I'm going to show you how to get the Infinity Festival. Or have I shown you how to get the Logan's gun? Yeah, I have. So, I'll just go ahead and kill myself. Oh, wow, it's taking forever. Alright, kill me. Alright, this is Gallant Midget Mortar. Need a huge midget mortar. Oh, me. Need a huge midget mortar. Midget mortar. Midget mortar. Okay, I can't seem to get one, so I'll have to kill myself anyway. And I'm gonna, wow, there's a lot of things right now. So, I hope you had fun, and I'll see you in the next video. To fast travel. So to get the Infinity, you'll need to go to the valley. Greenland Valley. Then who you need to kill? You need to kill the guy who you get the E-Tech gun off. Oh, guns. Hang on. What guns? The Iceman Kermit. No. I have no idea where he is, but Bloodshot Stronghold, the dust. So So YouTube, if you want to know how to get these kind of guns, just send me a message asking. But before you can send me a message, then you have to add me, because so I'll just hold on, YouTube. Die. Yeah, as you can see, that's really powerful. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.